What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and possibly the last video for my Florida trip. In today's video we're going through 8 holes at Southern Oaks Golf Club. This is a new championship course located at 766 Mary Lee Place, The Villages, Florida. The reason I mention it's a new course is because my Bushnell GPS didn't yet have the course in its database, and unfortunately Google Earth hasn't updated yet, so no flyovers or course overview. And the reason I say 8 holes is because we got caught in some pretty substantial rain, forcing us into the clubhouse for some refreshments. We would have braved a light or even moderate rain shower, but as you will see, this was definitely not the case. We actually ended up going back out for another 8 holes on the back 9 after the storm passed, but I'm not sure I'll be able to get that video out. More on that later. In this round I played again with my dad and one of my best friends, Matt, which made it a pretty special round. Although you can't tell because they removed all the tee markers in preparation for the hurricane the next day, we opted for the white tees, considering it was yet another new course for all of us, as well as hearing in the clubhouse the greens were rolling like Pinehurst number 2. I'll cut back in at the end of the 8th hole, so without further ado, let's get into it on the first tee. Alright folks, we are at Southern Oaks Country Club or golf course. Hurricane coming tomorrow, so they took in all the tee box markers, so we're playing from the whites. But there's no markers, so we just kind of pick a spot. And also, I think this is a new course, so my golf GPS isn't picking anything up, so I don't know if we're gonna have any yardages. But there's also a guy when we were going into the clubhouse, he said the greens are like Pinehurst number 2 out here, so it's gonna be a rough day. Leaky. It's by those trees. Right in between the bunker, or over the bunker. Alright, we all sliced it. Alright, we're still deep. So, I'm just gonna hit, I guess, 5-iron out there. I just pulled up the Swing U app. I gotta log in. Alright, I lost that. I pulled up the Swing U app, so this should be better, but taking a drop. So 1, 2, 3 here. Generous drop, but 107 to the middle.
You're on.
Nice. That wind this wind's gonna be strong. That pushed it a good amount. I didn't hit it super straight, but alright, so we were 1, 2 in. 3 down, 4 here. This is kind of for 5. Uphill, I think a little bit right to left. Thanks. They're definitely not slow. Yeah, I gotta try to start it a little left. Alright, second hole, par 3, 139, going pitch and wedge. Oh, I'm with you. That's so bad. That's gonna hit the cart path. Alright, had it at about 44. This wind's tough. It's gonna be kind of a guesstimation with the wind and the yardage, but going 52. Or shank it. Alright, I hit that off the Hosel. Typical Hosel rocket, I guess it's fitting, but hitting 3 from back here, I'm going 58. Chunky, sit. Break. Well, that's a fat 5. I think it's on that hump. I hit that decent, but that was more of a hook than a draw. Alright, got 255. Found myself in the bunker here. Actually, that's not me. I'm up. I got 226 from the cart into the wind, going 5 hybrid. It's just right. Alright, from the cart, we got 70. I'm gonna go 52. Get down. Down, down, down. Wow. Blind yard, just think sitting down, going. We're 1, 2, 3 here. Thanks. Par putt, I believe. Didn't hit it. Bogey. Good shot. It's chunky. It's gonna be short left. Alright, pin high just a little bit. Short left. I'm gonna try to hit this quick before the tripod falls over. Go! Pushed it. Alright, dog leg left. I'm gonna try to go near that tree on the left. Bad swing. It'll be fine.
Yeah, well, you saw where it landed, right?
Yeah. 145. Gonna go 9 iron. It'd be nice if I could actually hit an iron shot here. Alright, first birdie putt of the day. Thin to win 9 iron there. Trending in the right direction, at least. It's fading a little bit. It'll be on the green, but thanks. Birdie putt. Uphill. Pretty straight. Maybe a little bit right to left. I think I'm gonna aim for that mark. Slow down. Thanks. Thanks. Right down the pipe. Alright, 33 to the front, 50-ish to the middle. I guess I'm gonna go 50. I'll go 58. Toss it up in the air. Wow. Long. Alright. Yeah, I know. Long birdie putt. We got 2 birdie putts and a par putt. This looks downhill. I mean, it's kind of in a little bit of a bowl. I don't know. This is a... Yeah. This is a hit and hope situation. Slow down, slow down, slow down. I wanted to go that way a little bit. Way too hard, but... I pushed it. Bogey, bogey, bogey. I hit it off the heel, but I didn't see that bounce either. Alright. From the cart, we have 46 to the middle. Pins in the back, 68 to the back. With the wind, now I'm an extra couple yards back here. So, going 52. See if we put this on and get another birdie putt. Or just push it right. That's bad. Yeah, I'm putting, but... So, so like I said, there's a hurricane coming tomorrow. I guess it's here now. Alright, this tripod might fall over. This is definitely going to fall over, but I'm going to putt it quick. That almost went in. That's a par.
Alright folks, there you have it. Pretty crazy ending if I do say so myself. A 6 over 37 through 8 holes at Southern Oaks. Like usual, some good, bad, and definitely ugly shots mixed in, even a signature Hosel rocket. Overall, I was relatively pleased how I managed the course with the crazy winds, and I actually putted halfway decent considering the daunting warning about Pinehurst before the round. As I mentioned at the beginning, I had some technical difficulties on the back nine after that crazy storm. Everything got absolutely drenched. At that point, the birdie juice was flowing and we were racing the sun late in the day, so the lighting was pretty poor the last couple holes. All that to say, I'm still 50-50 on spending the time to put that video together. Alright, wrapping this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been caught in a storm like that while on the course. Like always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel, and I greatly appreciate all the support you guys have been showing. But, until next time, I'll see you guys at the next course.